Hello and welcome to Jay's Play Work Studio. Generally, we see that bulbul birds are more tolerant to habitat loss compared to other birds out there. But the habitat loss is so severe that of 160 different species of bulbuls that live on the planet, 13th of them are already declared as threatened. One big hurdle in restoration of their populations is the fact that these birds are not cavity nesters. By the term cavity nester, I mean to say that whatever kind of nest box you make for them, they won't nest in there. Bulbul birds usually nest directly in trees, preferably in those with dense foliage. This gives them a sense of concealment cover, and in trees which have very soft, not prickly foliage, to provide them for easy and comfortable transport. My so far experiences with this bird in Kashmir is that they are very comfortable to nest in Himalayan cypress trees. And if you have at least one such tree anywhere in your backyard, the best way to attract this bird to the backyard will be to integrate a fruit feeder, a curiously designed fruit feeder, in very close vicinity to that tree. Cause our bulbul bird likes fruits the most, be it strawberries, cherries, apples, oranges, watermelons, they eat it all. And one more step towards this is my new design, the fruit feeder for the bird. This design in fact mimics two essential design elements from the bird's own body design. Number one is the sharp, angular, streamlined curvature of the bird's body, and second is the coloration of its feathers, which are present on the bird's underside. You might have noticed yellow colored feathers under the tail of the bulbul bird. The same color has been used on all the accents in this design. Since the birds have a polychromatic vision, the birds can see colors more vivid than the humans. There have been a lot of discussions on what colors are liked most by our birds. But the thumb rule is that the color which is present on the bird's own body is the color that a bird is always looking for. That's the reason that I have used bulbul yellow color on all its accents everywhere. There are two perches, one on either side, so that a pair of bulbuls can perch simultaneously and peck on the fruits face to face while they are talking, twittering, and planning their families. The laser engraved bulbul marking on either side is for sipping any juices that may trickle down. So there are 4 skivs in this design to hold the fruits in place. And it has been designed in such a way to accommodate any kind of fruit.